And yes, guys, I went to the Walmart by my house again. I found the chase piece. Megalodon training truck, guys. This is so cool. The first time I find a training truck in the store. Megalodon, guys. So here's the back. So this case is already complete already. On to Mix 41, guys, which is already out in some Walmarts, actually. I mean, it's really cool, guys. Get this Megalodon. That's so cool. I'm happy that I found this today. Okay, so these are the brand new training trucks. Okay, here it is, guys. And it's metal as well, like the originals. There's a teeth Megalodon, guys, Monster Jam logo. I like these training trucks better than the previous ones they did. I think these are way more detailed. Like a turquoise, light bluish rims and bead locks, big 18 tires, dark blue roll cage, like a gray chassis. The front of the truck with the driver. Really cool, guys. I'm honestly really excited that I own this in my collection now. Next chase is a Thunder Royce, I think, and the Mix 41, I think. Alright, so that's it. That's all I got today. So I'm really excited for this. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoy.